Today I am reviewing a 4K dashcam mirror that I purchased from AliExpress. You can choose a 10.26-inch screen or an 11.26-inch screen. The goal is simple: add a bright display, a high-resolution front camera, a rear camera, and wireless phone integration without replacing the factory stereo. Let me start with the core camera system. The front unit records in 4K resolution for crisp detail in daylight and at night. A companion rear camera helps with parking and adds a second angle while you drive. Together, they form a practical digital video recorder that captures your daily trips and any unexpected incidents on the road. The display is easy to see from the driver's seat and mounts in a mirror-style location. The larger 11.26-inch option gives you more map and camera space, while the 10.26-inch option keeps a smaller footprint. Either way, it is a clean upgrade that does not demand a full dashboard teardown. Connectivity is a highlight. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. That means you can run navigation, make hands-free calls, hear your messages, and stream music from your phone without reaching for a cable. The frequency modulation transmitter lets you send audio into the factory speakers, so voice guidance and music are clear. Daily use is straightforward. Start the car, the system wakes, and recording begins. You can switch views to check the rear camera, keep the map in view, or focus on the road data you care about most. It feels natural in everyday driving. If this review helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.